to my website to gain access to over 16,000 woodworking plans, along with the...
Come on, sit back down. You gotta sit back down, okay? We're not talking about that. Oh.
Hello everyone, thanks for celebrating my in the future. I can't wait to get to the new chat location and continue in on my jelly plum catchable night to the right and later.
You're nice, Wendell. Alright, thank you, Wendell. Alright. Thank you everyone for coming to this community shop memorial. As a lot of you know by now, we will no longer be working in this shop. But worry not, because the woodworking will continue. We are moving to a new shop, and it's going to take a little bit of time for that to get set up, but hopefully we'll be back in the groove in no time. But I wanted to come together and really pay homage to the last 4 years that we spent in this shop. When I think about everything that happened here, it's really emotional and very spectacular. I think about when I first started woodworking in here, I had just bought my first job site table saw, which is the table saw I still have now. I didn't know how to mill rough lumber. I didn't know how to cut a mortise and tenon, let alone a dovetail. And getting through any project was a huge struggle for me. But in that time, I've developed so much more ease with my woodworking. And think about all the stuff we've made here. We made an oak dresser, 4 hardwood bed frames, cutting boards, all kinds of other little trinkets for my own home and the homes of my loved ones. And people always say, oh, woodworking is so fun, woodworking is so relaxing. I personally don't think woodworking is relaxing, but that's my business. But in terms of it being fun, yes, it is definitely fun, but it's more than that. It's about growing as an artist and growing as a person, gaining problem-solving skills and mental toughness. It used to be so difficult for me to get through my woodworking projects that it was just a huge emotional toll. But I've gained so much ability to manage my expectations and plan my projects a lot better that those kind of emotional breakdowns don't happen anymore. As well as, I know if I do make a mistake, just take a deep breath and we'll work through it. Like making mistakes in my projects, it no longer causes me a huge lapse in my confidence because I know I'm gonna make mistakes, I'll work through it, I can get it done. Maybe I'll have to redo it, maybe I can patch it up, but I'll get through it, and it doesn't mean that I should bury my head in the sand and be ashamed of everything I've ever made. But that's all I have to say. I want everyone to know that after this, we are going to brunch at Big Denny's Hardware Store and Grill. You can get the address from the group chat, or you can follow me and Wendell in the van there. But thank you everyone for coming out, and I can't wait to see you in the new shop!